Good morning everyone, hope you're fine. This video from Alahram Modern School. We have math session today and this is our pages today. We have 2 pages classwork and 1 page homework. 117 and 118, this is our classwork. 119, this is your homework. Let's start. What can you see here? It's clock. Yes, it's analog clock without any hands. And digital clock with the numbers. I need you to draw the hands to show the correct time. Let's start. I have here 2 clock. It means the short hand will point to 2 and the long hand will point to 12. Easy? Again, I have here analog clock without any hands and digital clock with the numbers. 9 o'clock. It means the short hand point to 9 and the long hand point to 12. Super. Again here, the analog clock without any hands and digital clock with the numbers. We will draw the hands to show the correct time. The short hand will point to, yes, 4. And the long hand, super, to 12. When I see 0, 0, means the long hand point to 12. Easy? Okay, number 4. 12 o'clock. When I see 12 means the short hand will point to 12. When I see 0, 0, it means the long hand point to 12 too. Easy? Number 5. 10 o'clock. When I see 10, means the short hand point to 10. And 0, 0 means the long hand point to 12. 10 o'clock. Number 6, 8 o'clock. When I see 8, yes, the long hand or short hand? The short hand point to 8. Super, the long hand point to 12. It's very long, I'm sorry. Okay, number 7. 1 o'clock. When I see 1, mean the short hand point to 1. And 0, 0 means the long hand point to 12. 6 o'clock. Yes, the short hand point to 6 and the long hand point to 12. Excellent. Let's see another page. Okay. Next page. Draw the hands to show the correct time. I have here analog clock without hands and digital clock with the number. With the numbers here. Okay, let's see. 7 o'clock. The short hand will point to 7. And the long hand will point to what? Yes, 12. 7 o'clock. Number 2, 5 o'clock. 5 means the short hand point to 5. 0, 0. Yes, the long hand point to 12. Super. Number 3, 11 o'clock. Means the short hand will point to 11 and the long hand, yes, point to 12. 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. Means the short hand will point to 4 and the long hand point to 12. Easy. Let's see number 5. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Answer with me. Yes. Super. 3 o'clock. 2 o'clock means the short hand will point to 2 and the long hand will point to 12. 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock means the short hand will point to 12 and the long hand. Yes, 12 too. Super. 6 o'clock means the short hand will point to 6 and the short hand will point to 12 and the long hand will point to 12. Let's see here. 8 o'clock. The short hand will point to 8 and the long hand will point to 12. Super. 10 o'clock. The short hand will point to 10 and the long hand will point to what? 12. 10 o'clock. Let's see here. 9 o'clock. The short hand will point to 9 and the long hand 12. Super. The last one here. 1 o'clock. It's very easy. The short hand point to 1 and the long hand point to 12. This is your homework. Draw the hands to show the correct time. Sorry, I have analog clock here without hands and digital clock with the numbers. Okay, what I will do? 4 o'clock. I will draw the hands. 4, it means the short hand or the long hand. Yes, correct. The short hand. The 00, it means the long hand. Z. Number 2. 8 o'clock. It means 8. Yes, the short hand will point to 8 and the long hand will point to 12. 10 o'clock means the short hand will point to 10 and long hand will point to 12. 7 o'clock. The short hand will point to 7 and the long hand will point to 12. Here, 6 o'clock. The short hand will point to 6 and the long hand will point to 12. The last one here, 9 o'clock. The short hand will point to 9 and the long hand point to what? 12. Super. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.